Hi, welcome back again in this training program on mastering self-hypnosis. Now when we talk about self-hypnosis or hypnosis, a lot of things comes in your mind. Now, a lot of myths about hypnosis. It is because of the movies, because of the novels, because of the word used by magicians sometimes. And when we talk about hypnosis, the first thing that people think that hypnosis means controlling other person's mind. Wrong. Hypnosis means controlling your own mind. And in the deepest stage of hypnosis, if somebody hypnotizes you, but this workshop is on teaching you how you can practice. You can reject any suggestion which you don't like. You're always in full control. To other person, when somebody hypnotizes you or you see somebody hypnotized, it looks like he's unconscious or sleeping, but wrong. The person hypnotized is fully awake, alert, his eyes are closed, but all his senses works 10 times better than normal state of mind. They can see better if they open their eyes, hear better, smell better, taste better, they can imagine better and visualize better. It is a state of mind where body is relaxed and mind is alert, and you bypass the analyzing part of your conscious mind. It is not revealing secrets, not controlling others, nothing to do with the strong willpower, weak willpower. It is do with your ability to follow the instructions. Better you follow, the faster you go into self-hypnosis, deeper you go into hypnosis, and faster you get the result. Now my friends, sometimes people ask me, it is to do with the strong willpower, weak willpower? Nothing to do with the strong willpower, weak willpower, weak body or strong body. I work with the top level sportsmen. They are boxers, power lifters, cricketers, tennis players, golfers. They are strong in their body, strong in their mind. And they go into self-hypnosis instantly, easily, very fast. Why they go into it? Because they are a disciplined player, they follow the instructions, and they go into it instantly because they follow the instructions very well. The better you follow, better you can imagine, the faster you go into self-hypnosis. It is not revealing secrets, controlling others. If that would have been possible, I don't need to record this video. I can go and hypnotize anybody and make a lot of money. So my friends, hypnosis is a very simple state of mind where body is relaxed, mind is alert, and you bypass the analyzing part of your conscious mind. So my friends, during hypnosis, you are fully awake and alert. You know what's happening around you. Anytime you want, you can simply open your eyes and come out. Now my friends, we need to do during this workshop, when I guide you into self-hypnosis, you need to close your eyes and do the exercise. But the interesting thing is, most of the time we go into hypnosis or self-hypnosis with a wide eye open hypnosis. When you're watching a movie, reading an interesting book, in a movie theater, focusing on something very interesting, like any sports, you're excited about the sports, and when you are emotional, and when you are in love, when you are in love, you are in deep state of hypnosis. And we'll talk about it, not this workshop, some other workshop we'll talk about it. If anybody wants to come out of that hypnosis, we can help you. But in this workshop, you will learn how to go into self-hypnosis. You'll be wide awake, alert. Now, hypnosis is a self-hypnosis, very powerful tool. It can help you to control your habits, concentrate better, visualize better, remove your negative blocks, remove your beliefs, reprogram your future, set higher goals and achieve your goals, control pain. Hypnosis has been used by a lot of dentists for doing hypnotic anesthesia, childbirth, painless childbirth has been done through hypnosis. And hypnosis is becoming very popular If you want, you go to the Google, search for hypnosis for pain relief, hypnosis for painless childbirth. You will know how many different ways hypnosis can work. So now my friends, our goal for this workshop is you learn self-hypnosis to reprogram your subconscious mind consciously so that you can achieve what you want to achieve in your life. Plus you can control your habits, control pain, you can do a lot of things, improve your studies, memories, concentration. If you are a sportsman, you can improve your ability to win tournaments and improve your skills also using self-hypnosis. In the next lessons, I'll tell you, and you will learn how I have used and how I have helped top level sportsmen with the self-hypnosis. So, let's go to the next lesson now where we will talk about conscious mind, subconscious mind. Thank you.